Hey, all you perfect people out there enjoying the internet. I'm Matthew Barbie with Perfect Company. I'm going to take a moment and show you another great feature of all the perfect apps. We're going to show you in Bake here, but it works exactly the same in Drink and in Blend. So we know that we have our category thing. We can search and refine our recipe library through, say, just cookies, etc., versus all of the recipes. Now, but did you know you can also sort your library a few different ways? So right over here on the right-hand side of the screen, we have our sort order. So default is alphabetically A to Z, pretty standard. You know, we start with numbers, then go from A to Z. Now, maybe you like zucchini bread and waffles, and you'd like to reorder the alphabet the other way. So there you have it, Z to A. Zucchini bread, waffles, yellow cake, right there on top. Everything's backwards, and that's not a bad thing. Now, you can also sort the library by the number of times you've made a recipe. So if there's recipes that you make more often than not and you'd like them at the top of your recipe library, just sort by number of times made, and there you have it. It'll reorder everything to put the ones you've made the most at the top and the ones you made the least at the bottom of the library. Last but certainly not least, you can also sort by what's in your pantry. This will allow you to sort the library by what recipes you're most likely to be able to make with what you have on hand in your pantry, down to the things you are least likely to make and will probably need to go shopping for. So that's just a few ways to reorganize your library to make your life a little simpler, make your app a little more functional, and customize it just to you to give you the best baking and drinking and blending experience you can hope for. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or comments, let us know at makeitperfectly.com. And as always, have a perfect day.